Hi guys, I'm Julie. Welcome to my handmade channel. Today, we are going to make this semicircle pouch with a zipper. If you open it, you can see here are 4 pockets inside. You can put your cards here and also your lipsticks. It still has a lot of space in between. And I have prepared a pattern for you which you can download for free in the link below. You can print it out, just make sure that it is 100% so that you will have the same size as mine. Okay, let's start. First of all, let's draw the pattern on your preferred fabric and cut it out. Make sure that you cut 2 pieces of the lower outer part, 2 pieces of the upper outer part, 2 pieces of the inner part, and 2 pieces of the pockets. We need to mark the folding points. Then fold the lower fabric and pin it to the place. After that, we can place the upper part and pin them together. Then we can sew them together. You can add a line to make it look better. Then we can fold the edges of the pocket for around 1 cm twice and sew it. Add a line on the top. Sew the pocket onto the inner fabric. Add a line in the middle to separate the pocket to 2 slots. Now we have prepared all the fabric. Then we can sew the zipper to the fabric. Make sure the right sides are facing each other with the zipper in the middle. You can add a line to make it look better. We can sew the inner fabric. Remember to leave a hole for folding. Fold the tag twice. And place it in your preferred position. Then sew the outer parts together. It's time to turn the inside out. This is always the most exciting moment. And let's sew the hole to finish it. And we're done! Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel or have a look at my Instagram. See you next time. Bye!